Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Snapchat. Quick and easy. First, open your Snapchat app and make sure it's updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings gear in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find app appearance. If you see it, tap it, and you'll get 3 options. Match system. Always light. Always dark. Choose Always Dark to turn on dark mode immediately. If you don't see the app appearance option, it means dark mode may not be available in your region or device yet. In that case, you can enable system-wide dark mode from your phone settings, and Snapchat may match it automatically. And that's it! Your Snapchat is now in dark mode. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Snapchat tips.